morning, my Levigo family. We are on a taxi and we are heading to Xplor. So, you guys, stay tuned and there we go. We're getting onto these mega buses. We get a little excited.
Yeah.
The adrenaline of everybody who wants to get onto the bus to get to Xplor. I am pumped. But now, we ready to go onto the bus. See you guys in Xplor.
Stay tuned.
Boom bang. In a gear and put it away, and now we're waiting in a line to go and do the zip lining. Thoroughly energized and ready for it. The line is a bit long because of course we gotta put on all our protective gear and make sure that we're safe. But after that, you're gonna hear a lot of screams. You're gonna hear a lot of activities going on.
I love the atmosphere. It's energetic. It's fun. It really is a beautiful park.
So, you ready to start? You ready to go?
Let me go.
There you go. Alright, so we all strapped. Now we're waiting in line to start to climb up that super tall tower. And then we're gonna do some zip lining.
Yeah.
Panic mode, panic.
Wait.
Lean back and bend your knees. Ready? Go.
Oh boy! Hello. In? This is Tower 2. We're doing this, we're doing this. Woohoo! Yeah, baby! Okay.
Heart rate fully up, guys. We are energized and we're gonna do the hammock splash, which is another water activity. Guys, ziplining with water is the best.
Hammock things, we were greeted by like a kind of juice bar that has little cookies and stuff. So we decided to have a banana milkshake type of something. It's all included in our costing to come in here. So you can take as many as you want, you know, Chris and Jay, we did the gritty thing. We had 2 each. And then we got some oatmeal cookies. We are thoroughly enjoying this Xplor Park.
It's an adventure to remember. What we did is, we did the zip line whole morning. Then, after that, we came here at the drink station to get drinks so that we could make more of the day and eat after.
So that's the plan. There's a power break.
Mm-hmm.
Stay with us, yeah?
Yeah.
We are doing Xplor. Chris and Jay does Mexico.
Explore Bamaros!
So we just got our power shake, our power break. And then we saw something called underwater expedition. So yeah, that's where we kind of climbing down right now. We're gonna get some underwater activities done. So yeah, there we go. It's gonna get dark. Yep, it's starting to get dark. Ooh, very nice. Underwater expedition. And luckily we had some closed toe shoes, or else you would have some busted toes for
Well, they
sure.
actually mandated
Correct.
that you have clothes to shoes on. Yeah.
And mind you, the water real cold too. You could have cause something. That's trouble.
Remember she said there's an obstacle course?
We got a little water slide. That was kind of fun.
That's super fun!
Yeah. I find it could have been a little longer.
Yeah.
Yeah, that could have been way longer. Yeah, baby. Get faster. Okay, what a day, what a day, what a day. We're pumping on fumes right now because we didn't really have lunch. But forget lunch. We head into the next adventure. There are ATVs. The rain has come down, so I find that making it a little bit better.
More fun, yeah.
Like mud, probably some sticking. And Jay had to come and push the vehicle. She didn't sign up for that. She didn't know. She didn't know. We just had to make sure that Jay fits the requirements. Just making sure that she you know, is of height.